In a quaint antique shop on the outskirts of town, Emma stumbled upon a peculiar item, an antique typewriter with an eerie aura. Intrigued, she purchased it, unaware of the sinister presence within. As Emma typed, the typewriter seemed to have a mind of its own, typing messages from the other side. At first, she dismissed it as a quirky novelty, but the messages grew darker, foretelling events yet to pass. Late one night, Emma awoke to the sound of the typewriter clicking away by itself. Terrified, she read the message, "Beware the shadow in the mirror." Looking up, she saw a dark figure lurking behind her reflection. With a chilling realization, Emma understood the typewriter was a portal to the spirit realm. Frantic, she tried to destroy it, but the typewriter resisted, trapping her in a ghastly game of communication with the dead. In a race against time, Emma must uncover the typewriter's dark secrets before it consumes her soul. Can she break free from its ghostly grasp, or will she join the ranks of the haunted antique's victims?